Scotty Cranmer's Florida skate park tour. Day 9, day 10, I don't even know anymore. Yesterday, I missed the video. I was just too wore out. I needed a break. I'm like filming videos all day and then coming home and then having to edit the videos. I haven't been getting much sleep at all, so I decided to take the day off and try to catch up. And yeah, I'm back in the game right now. It's gonna be me, Matty, and Morgan. I believe the Florida boys are coming. We are at a skate park we've never been to before. This is Winter Haven Skate Park. So straight from the parking lot, you go down the sidewalk and there is a really awesome looking bowl. I think Matty is going to love this setup. And Morgan, yeah, Morgan likes riding bowls as well. The other section of the park is a plaza section, but it is a big plaza section. Most skate parks are a lot smaller than this one. This rail behind me is huge. Well, if it's a rail, it's huge. If it was a person, it would be
probably about the same height.
Dude, this is perfect, man. Jump, land Canadian, go into the bank. Oh. Yes, dude. Yes, man. Florida crew is back. You never been to this park before, huh?
Nope, Winter Haven.
Looks like it's right up your alley.
There's so many rails.
It really is.
And there's so many unlimited possibilities with the directions they go and all the ledges.
This park's amazing. I don't see how I've never been here before.
When you look at it, what do you get excited to ride?
All of it. Everything.
Yeah, Matt. Oh man, we are running on low battery right now. I have one battery that's dying that I'm currently filming with, and then I have one last battery, and I don't know how much we're gonna be able to get. Very amateur move. Yesterday when the guys were filming, I just didn't remember to charge batteries. We should easily be able to get a full video for you guys if Matty's landing everything first try like this. Nice, Matt.
I know what you're doing. I'm calling it out. You're gonna crank flip off of this into that bank.
Oh!
I can't even handle the thought. I can't handle that thought. I scared him so much. Yeah. Okay, I got that.
Yes, Wade.
Yeah.
Oh
man, that wheel is so bad.
It has all the spokes in. I did my best.
Wow, dude, that was huge. Yeah! Yo, it was perfect. First try. 2 bangers off the hit. What a day.
Thanks, man.
I'm laughing right now. I can't help it.
Because my wrist hurts, let's just do a one-handed grind.
And where are we gonna do this one-handed grind?
Somewhere over there. Let's go.
Alright guys, the wind really started to pick up at the skate park, making it very hard for the guys to ride, and it also ruined the sound quality for almost everything that we filmed. I tried my best to salvage the rest of the video by adding some music, but I wish you could hear all the reactions from the crazy tricks the guys did, especially Matty's insane gap out of the park. Sorry for the shortened video. In the wind. Feels right?
Yeah, let's do it.
It looks like a nice one for you.
Yeah.
I knew it! You needed the redemption! I knew you couldn't let that go! Oh!
That's that. Yeah, Dwayne. Yes, Matt. Yes! down there, I guess.
Wind.
I bet the sound quality is terrible for everybody in YouTube, but
You just have to put your shirt over it like this. Just film like this.
just film through my shirt. Let me try it.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Is that right?
That's it.
Oh yeah, this is probably great. Oh, he's flying. Oh!
That's so hard.
How are you feeling, dude?
It was already cut and I just ripped it open again.
When isn't there a cut in your thumb though?
I know, that sucked. I pulled my
Describe
shoulder
your
when I
landing.
landed. As soon as I landed, my shoulders just shot out. I felt like my right one just do like a little stretch feeling.
Very weird setup. Two extremely steep, narrow spines. Guys are so intrigued. They need to do some tricks on it right now. What? Yeah!
Oh my god!
Whoa! I did not think that was gonna happen. Yes, Morgan. Yes, man. Woo! No, chatter. Yes, man. Whoa. Ooh, that was nice. Full Florida box jump session about to go down this bowl corner into that steep crest bank. Let's see what the guy's got. Cleared it. Yes. Yo! Whoa! That was so sick. Nice job, dude. I mean, of course, you're gonna Florida box jumps, right?
Yeah, that's all we got.
Maybe a little steeper than a box jump, a regular box jump. Coping bump.
It's a steep one for a 4-foot quarter pipe.
It's true.
We got another one, guys. Railing, grass bank, big Florida box jump. Flashing red. Battery's dying. This is it. Turn the camera off. The camera's back on. Barely got any battery left. Oh! Smooth landing. Barely made it. That was sick.
All of us went,
Yeah, we did. Literally, my battery's flashing right now. Amateur hour. I didn't bring any batteries. I'm glad we were able to film as much as we did. We had so much fun here. Guys, until next time, remember to subscribe to the channel. Remember to like this video. And peace. Thank you to everyone for supporting my brand, Can't Slow Down. If you want to get involved, you can go to can'tslowdown.com or go to the link in the description of the video. Just a reminder, these clothes will not make you a better swimmer. Only make you look better doing it.